Welcome everyone. Today's group discussion is, has digital media killed traditional art? Let's hear your thoughts. Who would like to begin? I'll start. Honestly, I feel traditional art can never die. It has been around for thousands of years, from cave paintings to classical sculptures. Every brushstroke carries emotions and authenticity that digital art simply cannot replace. When you stand in front of the Mona Lisa or Indian temple carving, you feel the presence of history. That's something a digital screen can't give. I agree that traditional art is priceless, but let's be practical. Today, digital media has revolutionized art. With just a tablet or even a smartphone, anyone can become an artist. It's faster, more affordable, and can reach millions of people instantly through social media. Traditional art might be limited to galleries, but digital art is accessible to everyone everywhere. That's a valid point, but I don't think digital has killed traditional art. Instead, it has expanded the definition of art. Many modern artists actually combine both. They sketch on paper first, then enhance their work digitally. This blend creates amazing results. So instead of competing, the two can coexist and even complement each other. But don't you think digital art is making things too easy? With AI tools, you can generate an artwork in seconds. Where is the creativity in that? Traditional artists spend days, sometimes months, perfecting one piece. Digital shortcuts may lead to oversaturation and loss of originality. That's true, but think about accessibility. Not everyone can afford paints, canvases, or studio space. Digital tools democratize art. They allow anyone, regardless of background, to express themselves. An AI. Well, it's just another tool. It still requires human imagination to guide it. Fair enough, but even if digital spreads faster, traditional art has a cultural and emotional depth that technology can't copy. For example, Indian folk art like Madhubani or Varli is not just painting, it's storytelling, tradition, and heritage. Thank you, everyone. That was a healthy discussion. To summarize, traditional art carries history, culture, and emotional authenticity. Digital art is fast, accessible, and has global reach. Some feel technology reduces originality, while others see it as expanding creativity. So, has digital media killed traditional art? The consensus seems to be no. Instead, digital media has transformed art and given it new dimensions. At the end of the day, art is not about the medium but about expression. What is your take on this? Has digital media killed traditional art or has it helped art evolve? Share your views in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more such thought provoking discussions.